those men outside like that, you see.
Did you tell them I am home?
No, sir.
Alright. I don't feel like seeing anybody today. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Tell them I'm not home. They should come back tomorrow or next. Alright?
Good morning, sir. We are men from Economic Financial Control Commission. We are under arrest for cybercrime and fraudulent related issues. You are advised to remain silent because whatever you do or say can be used against you.
Listen, guys, we can sort this out, quietly. Can I at least drive my car?
I'm sorry you don't have that privilege. You have to join us in our car. Now move it. Young man, listen. Listen, calm down.
Don't try.
Listen, I just want us to talk.
We're young men, eh? We can sort this out very quietly and everybody, just Zukwanike. Aguzwike. Listen, let's sort this out, alright? I'll give you guys 5 million.
Move it!
Listen, I know we see this every day, okay? I'll give you guys. Okay, I'll make it 10 million.
10 million. I mean, 10 million is enough money for you guys.
Listen, I'll give you guys 15 million. Alright? 3 of you, 5 million each to go round.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.